Got a question for you. Have you ever considered getting your RV windows professionally tinted? We've been thinking about it for a long time and we finally did it. In this video, we're going to show you what it's really like to get RV windows professionally tinted. We're going to show you the process, we're going to talk about the cost, and we're going to go over the results. We'll actually walk you through the before and after shots, talk about the heat reduction, the privacy, and the UV control, and share why this simple upgrade made a massive difference on our travels.
Adventures our way, let's hit the open road with laughter and memories lightening the load. Every mile is magic, every stop a delight. Together we'll share in the joy of the night. With Ned and Kim guiding you, find so much more.
So this is what it looks like after it's tinted, and obviously it's very hard to see inside at all. Now, even at nighttime, we did some nighttime testing, and all you can see is the lights inside the camper. You can't really even see anybody standing there. Kim is waving, and you can't see anything now. You can no longer see inside the camper. So let me go show you what it looks like from inside looking out, because you can't see inside at all from outside. This is what it looks like on the inside of the camper looking out. Not much difference. I mean, you can tell the windows are tinted, so that's what it looks like. All right, let's talk about why we decided to get this RV tinted. So when we bought this, it just had clear glass, no tint whatsoever, no smoke glass like you see on like some of the travel trailers, fifth wheels, motorhomes, that sort of thing. It was inevitable that we had to do something. So Kim made curtains, blackout curtains, that went in front of the shades until we could figure out what we wanted to do, whether we actually wanted to get this thing professionally tinted. Now, there are three things that I was told about professionally tinting. Like when we got the truck windows done, you can definitely feel the difference. This had clear glass, so absolutely no protection. And there's three things. One, it's privacy. You just can't beat the privacy on this. We can leave the blinds open and you can see outside and nobody can see you. Number two, it's heat reduction. This window film that they put on blocks up to 94.5% of the heat that comes into those windows. Those are some large windows for a little camper, so you know it gets hot. And number three is UV protection. Now that window right there is over our bed. And when we got all set up to start camping in this thing, you know, it had one of them slide up and down day blind type shade things. And, you know, at night the light come in and it just blinded you. So Kim made a pillow to put in the window, kind of Velcroed in the window. And this is what it looked like when she did it. Nice and black. So, you know, it keeps the light out and everything else. After 1 year, that's what the pillow looked like due to UV bleaching. So this window film right here takes out 99% of the UV, I guess, or it blocks 99% of the UV rays coming into your camper. That's three good reasons to get your RV windows professionally tinted. Now, you don't have to get them done black if you already got them smoked out. They have 5% all the way up to, I think, 90% or something like that, which is very minimal tint, but it does all the same things like the UV protection and the heat blocking. So we picked a professional in our area. Actually, we know the guy that owns the shop. So after we got the truck done, the truck windows done, he said, why don't you bring your RV in and let us tint those windows? He said, I know you got clear glass and it's super hot in there. I said, absolutely. So we decided to take it in, and you know, I can't say enough about the great job that they did. It cost us about $740 to get it done. The full price out the door. Wasn't like a hey friendship cost. So those are big windows. We have 7 windows because they consider each one of those windows one window. So you got 2 windows per giant window. So basically 7 panels around. is what it costs. So 740 bucks to get it done. Money well spent. You know, if I had to do all over again, 100%. All right, guys, I want to give you my final thoughts on getting our RV windows tinted. I can honestly say that this was probably one of the best upgrades we've done so far to this camper. The difference in temperature inside the RV is crazy. It stays way cooler during the day, there's way less glare, and it just feels more private and comfortable. I also love how it looks. It gives the camper a nice, clean, finished look from the outside. And even though it wasn't a cheap modification, I think the comfort and protection it adds are 100% worth it, especially if you camp in hot areas like we do down south and whatnot, even out west. So if you've been thinking about tinting your windows, I'd say go for it. Just make sure you find a good quality professional shop who knows what they're doing, especially with RV glass. So tell us what you think. Do you already have your windows tinted like this, or would you even consider getting it done? So drop us a comment below. Let us know if you had experience doing this and how it worked out for you. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more RV videos like this, modifications, RV tours, campground reviews. You know the deal. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.